Hey folks, I'm gonna demonstrate how to use the second website so that you can fill table B, I guess, in the virtual density lab handout. So this is what you would do. Go ahead and find the mass of the wooden block. And the mass is 13.30 gram. So for now, I'm just writing it down on a sheet of paper. Then I'll transfer it to my document. Okay. Then go ahead and find the volume. So when you find the volume, it is going to be 15.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to say 15.6 ml. So I write that down. So the volume is 15.6 ml. Then they're going to ask you, hey, without finding the density, can you tell us if this object is going to float or sink? So I'm going to give you a hint here. And I wrote the hints in the document also. So if I know that the mass of an object is less than the volume, it's automatically going to float in water because the density is going to be less than 1. So let's see what happens. And sure enough, it did float. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to proceed with the second block. It's made out of aluminum. Find out the mass, it's 5.6 grams, and then go ahead and find out its volume. And its volume is 1.1 ml. So then I'll have to say, what principle can I rely on to answer if it's going to float or sink? And the principle is pretty simple. All you have to ask yourself is the mass greater than the volume or less than the volume? In this case, the mass is greater than the volume. So this object is definitely going to sink. Let's go ahead and watch what happens. There you go. All right. Before I go, I'm going to fill out an example for you so that you'll know how to do this. So wood. The mass is 13.30 grams and the volume is 15.6 ml. They're asking us for density. I'm sorry, I didn't see this part. So I'm going to quickly activate a calculator and say, okay. 13.30 divided by 15.6. So again, I'm telling you guys, I know the mass is less than the volume. So the density of this object is going to be less than 1. And sure enough, it is 0.